Hey, this is Ace here with Hillbilly How To's. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow running toilet. So the toilet is still working. It's just running really slow. Once you flush the toilet, it just takes forever for it to fill back up. So it takes a long time before you can actually flush it. It takes about 20 minutes before you can actually flush it again. So there's a stop up somewhere in this. So we're going to replace this today. This is like an energy saving type toilet. It's just got the 1 gallon bucket here where you're not filling up the whole tank, so it just saves water. So this should be a pretty easy fix. We'll just have to undo this. I've got a replacement to put a new one of these on. First thing you want to do is turn the water supply off to the toilet. And then we'll go ahead and dump the bucket where the water is out of our way while we're fixing this. Now you just need to unscrew the fill valve. It comes out pretty easily. I didn't even have to use any tools. It's just hand tight. Now there is a tiny little white plastic piece called a flow regulator that's inside the fill valve there. So you want to make sure you get that piece because the new piece does not come with this little piece, and you've got to have it. This is what I was looking for, a flow regulator. Before you put the new piece on, turn the water on just a little bit just to make sure the line is clear. Then you put the flow regulator, the little plastic piece, into the new part, and then you just screw the new part on. Now this step is optional. You can do a half a turn and take the new piece apart and then turn the water on just for a second, just to make sure that piece is clear also. Now it's time to test our work. Just turn the water back on and let the toilet fill back up, and then we will flush it once just to make sure everything is working correctly. I hope this video helped you, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.